Hey, what is up guys? myself here. Welcome back to the channel. And Apple has officially entered the wireless charging mat world, releasing today the brand new MagSafe Duo charger for your AirPods, your iPhone, and your Apple Watch. Now this one's going to be portable, and I guess you can call this Apple's first real wireless charging mat because remember, AirPower never really made it into the market. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the box to see what comes inside. Of course, we're going to test this and we're going to go over some of the latest details and everything you need to know about this brand new MagSafe wireless charger. Now the first thing you should know is that this will work with any iPhone 8 and above. So iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, 10R, 11, 12 of course, and here it is. So this one is really sleek, right? It feels very heavy actually. So for the size of it, it kind of feels heavy there. Inside we have on the left some paperwork, which is designed by Apple, some just instructions and things like that. No Apple stickers on this one. And on the right, we have the cable. Now, one thing you know it's missing here right away is the charging brick, which is a bit unfortunate. This is a wireless charger. It is a charger. So I think Apple should have went ahead and add the actual brick into this one. I know that the whole idea behind it is that if you have an iPhone charger, then this one will work as well. But some people just don't have that wall brick. And if you don't have it, this is USB-C to Lightning. You're going to have to purchase an extra charging brick, which looks very similar to this one. Apple sells it for about 20 bucks online, and we'll go over some of the details as into what type of brick you should use for this one as well, because different bricks will charge at different speeds. So there is the cable as well. We're going to leave it in the box. We're going to just use one of the other cables that we have here in studio, and let's go ahead and take a look at the actual charging mat. As I mentioned, it's kind of heavy. It feels very hefty. On the top here, we have the, I believe it's lightning. This is the lightning port, which connects both parts. And if you close it, it has a magnet, sort of magnets in place right there. You have the Apple logo on the center. It's very sleek, very portable. Of course, you can pop this up right here to charge your Apple Watch. So you can place your Apple Watch just like so right here on the side, and your iPhone on the other side, just like so. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in and show you how this works. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it in. And let's go ahead and lay this down just so you can see it. Let's go ahead and charge the Apple Watch just like that, and the iPhone right next to it. Let's go ahead and plug it in just like that. The magnets sort of line everything in place. You don't have to do anything. You get that charging animation, and there you go. You're charging both things. Now, this one was $129 plus tax, which to me is rather expensive, but I guess you're paying for portability, I guess. So you can also do this for the Apple Watch right here. Flip this up, as I mentioned, and just charge it this way. And of course, you can also do the AirPods as well next to it, just like that. So great for traveling, right? So one thing you do need to know is that this can be used with two separate wall adapters. You either have the 20 watt or anything after 27 watt, which is this one here. Now the difference between the two is that 20 watt charger will fast charge up to 11 watts with this one, the 20 watt one, but the 27 watt will actually throw you up to 14 watts of fast wireless charging. So if you use the bigger wall adapter, then of course you'll get that faster wireless charging as well. But either one you have to buy separate unless you already have one that came with your previous iPhones or anything that you already purchased before. And that's pretty much it. This is Apple's MagSafe Duo wireless charger. I'm sure Apple will also release more in the future, but this one is the portable one that you can take with you anywhere. Thank you for watching this quick video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.